How to get unbanned in Rainbow Six Siege. And first things first is pull up any web browser that you have or that you wanted to use. Right now I'm going to be using my Google Chrome for this video. Now, just simply go directly to ubisoft.com and then we are going to contact or coordinate via the customer support because this is actually our last resort for us to be able to get unbanned from the game. Now, once you're here, just scroll all the way down the bottom part and just click on contact us. Now, once you tap on this one, you will be rerouted to this page right here. And all you have to do is just to follow any troubleshooting steps that may occur right here or directly coordinate or contact with the customer support because all you have to do is just simply click and contact us, and none of these options we are trying to fix is not visible here. So just immediately tap on this one and you will be rerouted to a next page. Then here you just have to enter the email address associated with your Rainbow Six or your Ubisoft account, and you tell about your Ubisoft username. You can also add other username variant, and you just have to input here what was the email address associated with your lost account. So it's going to be indicated as lost account, but right here we are trying to explain that our account was banned without doing anything beyond the rules or regulations with the game. So once you have filled this form, everything filled out, now just go ahead to the bottom part and then submit a request. Now you'll just have to use or you'll just have to wait maybe 24 to 47 hours for you to for the customer support to get back to you because there's going to be the one to resolve the issue for you. As long as we have submitted a request that we did not go beyond the rules and regulations with Rainbow Six Siege, then we are good to go. So that's it. That's how we get unbanned from Rainbow Six.